There's a lot of people that carve from patterns in boards and milled wood, 2x, 4x, whatever. Take classes from it and try to get over that hump. Because it's hard playing on a tree. It's round. You can't use patterns, you know, and what you do, you use reference lines. And you're in a position you have to learn the anatomy of what you're doing a lot more. Because you can't draw it out and get it right and then use the drawing to keep it right. The eagle symbolizes the spirit in most American Indian cultures, and possibly in our own mind, period. Because he flies so high to the heavens, you know, nothing else can reach the sky as such. And this karma is about to return a spirit to the American Indian. Scares me. I said, well, you do the opposite of what I do. Don't do it. Let's make some noise. There's more character in ugly than there is beauty, or in ruggedness, so you want to be able to be flexible with it. I've carved Indians with no lines, no wrinkles, just completely smooth transitions and stuff. And they were really quite boring to look at, you know, they had no expression, it's just no life. Well, to get it done, they're going to preserve it down. I'd recommend some liquid water sealant. It's got like Thompson's, but it's got a lot of UV protectors. That's good stuff. And just leave it as part of the park display. This park, that's part of the inspiration behind it. It's the park. You know, this was all Cherokee land at one time. And for all we know, they might have been here. Sequoia might have been here. We don't know.